Hi, today we are going to learn the notes on the bass. First, we are going to learn the notes of the first 5 frets from here, open string E, to here. First string, 5 frets. The first thing, the main thing you have to know is the name of the open strings: E, A, D, and G. Then you have to know on the fretboard what is the main note, that is the C. The C is located here. It's easy to remember because we have the third string, third fret, C. And you also have to know the theoretical order of the notes. That goes like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. So we start with C. Next to C we have D. So we leave one fret free and we are in D. Then notice that the next open string is also D. So we can continue from here. D. We have to leave this fret free, E. Then goes to F. When you go from E to F and from B to C, there is an exception to that rule, and E and F and B and C goes together. So we have E, we have F, then we have G. Again, you leave the free fret, F and G. We are in the 5th fret, and the next open string is also G. So we have G, A, then B, and finally, right next to the B, we have C. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And finally, what happened to the 4th string? We can use the same rule that we used here. We have E, right next to E we have F, then we have G, and finally A.